I know what I like, baby, I like you. Miss American Pie with the high IQ. Oh my, I do, just fly right through. We'll get high as the kite in the afternoon. Cause I know what I like. Miss American Pie. Yes, sir.
It's like 12 degrees in a trespass coat. Face ID broke, can't get into my mobile phone. I don't know the 4-digit code. I'm in the pub with a J2O.
Good morning, it's 10 a.m. I just came from Zeus to get some coffee. I'm here right now in UST. We have classes at like 11 a.m. So like I have an hour to waste. Later, we're gonna go to MOA and I'm really excited because we're gonna get a MacBook. We're gonna get a MacBook later, so I'm really excited for that. Hey guys, we've been here in AfterMarket for like 2 hours. Stop!
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling. Beyond the ghost, we stand on.
In AfterMarket cafe. I'm in this like hype store slash cafe. I'm pretty sure I'm the only person here. There's no one else here. I love when I am the only person in a cafe. I love that so much.
It's not enough. Few solid left, but it's not enough. Few that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
Done with my school requisite number 2. This cafe is like actually really quite nice. There's a lot of like art and shoes and okay, we're done here in AfterMarket cafe. I'm gonna go to town now. Their coffee, it's normal, sakto lang. It's not the craziest thing. But the environment, the place itself, is really nice. These are my type of books. Learning about life and learning about yourself. And money, of course. Like a dozen books that I haven't read yet, so I gotta finish those before I buy another one. It's 4 p.m. now, we're here in town. I just spent my day off here in Alabang. Busy times are coming because like next week is gonna be the start of our finals. And that's when everything gets crazy. Anyways, I'm sitting here outside and the sun is setting as well, so it's really nice. I'm watching the sunset right now. It's really pretty. This is the type of thing that you can't get in Manila. Sort of open air Greenlands.
No place
There's a really nice stall here. Nag-iisa lang siya. And they sell really like high quality designer clothes. So I'm gonna head over there, try to find something nice. That's a type of thrift store that already picks like the best stuff and then pinagsasama sila. So you don't have to like spend hours trying to find something good or like trying to find like a brand name stuff, because every single clothing there is already brand name. But it's a lot more expensive than the normal thrift stores. It's like mga 900. Ended up getting the Supreme shirt, the like white Supreme shirt. It was like really nice condition. I got it for 1,100, which is a bit expensive, pero you can't find that type of clothing anywhere else. It's not available in this country kasi, and it's really nice quality. So I bought it for 1,100. The original price was 1,200. Sandaan lang in nahagal, pero still pretty nice. I'm addicted to wearing white shirts kasi. See this one. Okay, I'm gonna try to find something to drink, to eat, or baka pwedeng umuwi na tayo kasi marami na ako nagastos.
Cause I know what I like, baby, I like you. Miss American Pie with the high IQ. Oh my, I do.